Alrighty guys, so I am on my way to, actually I'm on my way to the spot. I'm gonna go fish with Mr. Wildhorse himself. Now Wildhorse, I actually caught him out at what was it, the Culebra Creek. Sorry, I caught him at Leon Creek yesterday underneath the Culebra Bridge, and it's just cool, man. I got to fish with him again for the first time in a long time. So I texted him earlier today and I told him, hey man, I got a cool little spot for us to check out if you're down. Pretty close to the spot where we met, which is the place we were fishing yesterday. He said he was down, so I'm gonna get some water, something to drink, and I'm gonna meet him out there. Hopefully get some good fish today, but we'll see what today has in store for us. I'm pretty excited, and Mr. Wildhorse, good luck to you. I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, pretty much. So they got shallow green here, but I fished the next pond over. The next pond over is a little deeper, and it's not as dirty.
You posted a video fishing here, right?
I think 3 of them already.
Oh.
Anything that says honey hole, that's here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, just watch out with this.
The water not too shallow?
It's not too...
Top water spot.
Oh yeah, I've tried it, but like I said, I'm horrible at top water. I guarantee you can pull out something there. But this is my pond right here.
Oh man, nice.
Yeah, look, those are the carp right there.
Oh, carp?
They ball up in like 50 of them, dude.
Oh,
yeah, look, yeah, look.
That's crazy.
Yep, it's insane, right?
Yeah.
And there'll be like 5 different circles like that all around the pond.
Oh my gosh, there's a lot of carp there.
Oh yeah.
Big carp.
The biggest one I caught was 4 pounds. Yeah, big sons of bitches, man.
Holy moly.
Oh yeah. And then more ponds like that way into swamp.
Oh.
Just like 2-inch water, everything over there.
Cool.
But this is nice right here.
Here we go.
I got mosquito repellent if you need it, because you might need it.
Yeah,
a lot.
I know that too.
Yeah.
I brought that. I worry about you too.
There's a lot of them. I can already see them all over you.
Galveston?
Uh-huh.
Gosh, the parking lot, every summertime, even early winter, the mosquito biting you, even wearing the jeans.
See, I can't do that, man. I hate mosquitoes. I can do the heat, I can do everything. It's the mosquitoes that I'm just like, oh man, I'm tired of this.
I know, I'm crazy.
That's a lot. You wanna push that way to the cleaner water? Let's do that, because this is looking a little rough.
Okay. Let me screw.
Yeah, no, because
behind me.
all behind and all in front and all that good stuff. You want some on?
Yeah, my back.
Yeah, because if not, these motherfuckers are not going to give up until we're dry. This is the other one I was telling you about.
Beautiful.
Uh-huh. So you got options, man. Top water, jig head. I mean, you can use it all out here.
Nice.
Oh no, these trees block it off pretty good. As long as it didn't rain, because then it gets really humid out here. Yep. And that connects all back here, just a bunch of swamp.
Oh, there? Oh.
Yeah, all of that is all just green top water back there.
Cool.
Careful with all the sticks, not trip. Now look, we're right next to the carps. Yeah, I've only caught them on worms out here, man, to be honest. Real worms. I've never caught them on anything else. I had one hit a popper one time, but I didn't get it. And a lot of trees too. I fucking hate the only thing. I'm determined to get something on my 12-inch worm again. I want something big.
Yesterday I watched your another video. You go shooting range. Oh gosh, that's like a that Peter number at the 41 or the guy a boat hat. It's
a. You're talking about Joel, man. The older guy, right? Not the younger guy? So I had two friends there with me, Joel and Gilbert. Joel, the older guy, he's the guy who owns the ranch. And he has the exact same gun as me, but smaller. So I told him, man, let's both fuck it. But they're 9mm.
Yeah, you talk about, oh, do not cross your hand if you don't want.
You're gonna lose a fucking finger.
Yeah, finger.
It's scary, man. It's fun, but it's scary at the same time.
Yeah. When you talk about that, I was thinking, oh yeah, that's possible.
Usually really good about being on the edge. I'm gonna see if maybe I can get one on the edge. Quick little fishing. Oh, someone's picking it. Got one. Woo!
Oh, fish on!
Woo! What's fish on? Oh shit! Little fuck. Woo. Bandito bug. Oh shit! Look at my stick. Nice. It's a magical stick. Look at that. Thank you, sir. Go tell your dad. Okay, let me get this out of here. He spit it out as soon as he hit it. If I didn't swing him out of the water, I probably wouldn't have got him. Well, so far just one bass today. Caught it on a bandito bug. So far nothing seems to want the bubble gum. Might switch it out here in a little bit for a Guggen. See if maybe they want to hit that. Actually, I'm gonna do that before the sun goes down. I only got a little bit of time left, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch out my bubble gum to a Guggen. Oh yeah. Grass taller than me and shit. Another day. More footage on my channel.
Do you have a mask? The N95?
Not N95.
I guess I have one.
No shit. Alrighty, so I just got home. Nice little fishing day with Wildhorse. Oh man, I am beat. I've been fishing non-stop for about a month and a half now. Starting to catch up to me. But I'm making good friends and I'm definitely having some good experiences on the way. By the way, Wildhorse, thank you for the N95 mask. I love it. I'm gonna wear it to work pretty much every day because all I had were these little cheap masks and these, they suck. You can't even breathe. But this one right here is nice. I wanted one of these N95 masks since they started coming out, but they were really hard to get. So Wildhorse, thank you. I hope you like my gift as well. Definitely isn't as cool as this though. So, oh yeah, I like that. Wildhorse, on the next one, man. We're gonna have a competition, and loser of the competition buys the winner a bait at Academy or whatever, you know, something cool, something funny, whatever. But I had a blast today. Thank you. Hopefully the next time we'll catch a lot more fish. Y'all have a good one, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you can, and pretty sure I'll make another video tomorrow or something. Just keep an eye out. They seem to be coming like every other day at this point. Thank you guys again for watching.